एंड वी आर लाइव। ठीक है।
What's up?
अच्छा यार, ये जो नया वायरस आया इसके बारे में सुना तूने? HMPV वायरस।
यार मैंने सुना है but I haven't properly researched on it.
व्हाट डू यू थिंक? पीपल आर सेइंग कि 2020 इज रिपीटिंग इन 2025। डू यू थिंक कि एक और कोविड देखने को मिलेगा अपने को?
देख, if China doesn't contain it, तब तो clearly it's a propaganda to move money around or do something, keep some control financially.
I don't think
क्योंकि
so. I don't think so.
how the fuck
This
would
virus has been detected since 2001. I was reading about it. हाँ, so it's people. I think internet थोड़ा ना ज़्यादा ही ओवर रिएक्ट कर जाता है कोविड के भी। आई रिमेम्बर कुछ देवर लाइक सम, आई डोंट नो एक्चुअल कितने, जस्ट आई थिंक देयर वर लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेन्स। अब 50 से ज़्यादा स्ट्रेन्स थे। वी ऑल वी ऑल सॉ व्हाट हैपेंड, है ना? तो आई थिंक ये बस 2025 थोड़ा सा लोग ना अपने व्यूज के लिए, फॉर एवरीथिंग, इट्स जस्ट अ हाइप अप।
आई थिंक दैट इज ऑल्सो ट्रू, क्योंकि लोगों को ना मौका चाहिए जो भी ट्रेंड कर रहा है, जो भी वायरल हो रहा है उसके बारे में बात करने के लिए, ताकि उनकी फॉलोइंग आगे बढ़े, ताकि उनका सोशल मीडिया आगे बढ़े। तो हो सकता है कि दिस इज हाउ दे आर जस्ट हाइपिंग इट अप।
बट आई होप ये ज़्यादा वायरल ना हो।
यस,
We have wasted a lot of time with COVID.
Yes.
And like we all know, मतलब I don't want to blame anyone or anything, but it was proven कि it was leaked out of a lab,
या
right? And ठीक है, communism ये सब के बीच में नहीं घुसते हैं।
बट इज दिस अ कॉमन नॉलेज दैट इट वाज लीक्ड आउट ऑफ अ लैब?
Of course not. Who do you think fuels the media? Who do you think पैसे कौन डालता है स्टोरीज में? The government, the big people who want to push the stories.
राइट,
उसमें अगर कोई monetary gain नहीं तो I don't think anyone will be pushing that story. So
Obviously.
I feel this HMPV virus is just a social media trend, nothing more than that. I don't think we should be worried about anything.
Let's just hope you're right. If not, then we are fucked.
You saw this by this Dunzo is looking for a distressed buyer. They went to Reliance to bail them out. पहले कुछ बात चल रही थी कि they will bail them out or something like that, but उन पे कुछ they have some 600 crores of liabilities also. Looks tough. Dunzo, like I remember I booked Dunzo I think some days ago. मैं headphones भूल गया था ऑफिस जाते टाइम। बुरा हाल है। What do you think Dunzo का क्या होगा?
God, I don't know यार। मतलब there was a time जब डंजो जब नया आया था बैंगलोर में, it went viral कि fuck, this is a revolutionary idea. And if you think about it, ये रैपिडो वैपिडो सब कुछ, पोर्टर वोटर, ये सब कुछ डंजो के बाद ही उसी के कॉन्सेप्ट से ही तो आए हैं। बट डैम, आई मीन वी आर फ्रॉम बैंगलोर, यहाँ पे कितनी बड़ी बड़ी स्टार्टअप्स भी अचानक से दे जस्ट ख़त्म हो जाते हैं। आई डोंट नो।
But why do you think कि Dunzo is going down? Why were they not able to succeed? ऐसा what have they done wrong?
यार ऑनेस्टली मेरे को पता नहीं है, क्योंकि अभी डंजो भी हाइपर लोकल मार्केट में काफ़ी ज़्यादा रेलेवेंट बन चुका है, लेकिन कंपैरेटिवली मेरे को लगता है कि स्विगी जोमेटो वगैरह ऑलरेडी बहुत बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं, इसीलिए वो अपने लॉसेस कट बैक करके भी सर्वाइव कर पा रहे हैं। बट मे बी डंजो इज नॉट गेटिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स टू बैक देम
I feel कि जितने भी लाइक ये पिक ड्रॉप सर्विसेज है ना, जिसमें आपका स्विगी जिनी आ गया, रैपिडो कर रहा, उबर कर रहा है, आई गेस, आई एम नॉट श्योर, ठीक है, बट इट्स लाइक दैट I forgot the concept name, but just Dunzo only has Dunzo.
या एग्जैक्टली
They don't have a money making front.
Exactly.
Like Amazon, like we know marketplace doesn't make them that much money, but AWS is their cash generator.
यस,
Swiggy,
जोमेटो हैज हाइपर प्योर।
हाँ, Hyperpure. Swiggy does multiple streams of revenue. Dunzo, I think Dunzo had some shop or something like that. They were trying some grocery stuff to sway into that direction, but I
वही है
guess
ना, वो सिर्फ डार्क स्टोर्स नहीं, वो शायद प्रॉपर शॉप्स वगैरह अपने, जैसे Amazon स्टोर्स वगैरह है ना, वैसे ही स्टोर्स वगैरह निकालने का पहले एक बार न्यूज़ तो आया था कि दे आर प्लानिंग टू डू समथिंग लाइक दैट। पता नहीं, व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाई डिड द
मेरे
प्रोडक्ट
को ये
फेल?
पूरा बिजनेस मॉडल ही इट्स वेरी हाई एक्सपेंस बिजनेस मॉडल। लाइक इसका बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स पे जाओ, वी हैव सीन लाइक जब हमने खुद भी बिजनेस किया है, लाइक even having a single outlet is so expensive.
Yes.
Imagine having hundreds of outlets, managing the manpower, the expensive electricity, inventory, liabilities, and like it's very difficult to manage also. But on that same note, Zepto is looking to go public.
Oh, it's launching its IPO?
I mean, it's not definitely, it's thinking to go public. It's again like Zepto is also not profitable. They're
See,
just dumping it on the public shares. I think maybe it's a cash out, maybe it's who knows.
see, Zepto पे मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा faith नहीं है because it's a what 20-something-year-old guy who's just running the show. He doesn't know shit. वो ना बस जब तक चल रहा है तब तक चल रहा है. Daddy's money वाला जो concept है उससे चला रहा है वो. But पता नहीं. I have zero faith on Zepto, honestly. But Dunzo was a massive shock to me कि कैसे हो सकता है ये.
Same note पे यार, Swiggy वगैरह everything, like they have hooked us up. Even I feel like there's gonna be just ये सब they will all fade away. Swiggy Zomato रह जाएंगे. या तो duopoly चलेगी जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है in the long term. Maybe not in the coming year.
Of course, मतलब
maybe
like it has like good 8-10 years, but उसके बाद there would be Swiggy Zomato until Jio Mart या Reliance का कोई entity just eats everything up.
सब merge हो जाएंगे.
Exactly.
I heard. So on note of these failing companies, I forgot exact 3 names, but I think Nissan, Honda, and one more other company in India. They are planning
Merging.
they're planning to join hands because this time like it's like
They are bleeding, yeah.
Everyone is bleeding. Maruti, Hyundai, and your Tata.
Right.
And Mahindra. इनको कोई टक्कर ही नहीं दे पा रहा है. On your first, it's always has been Maruti. वो I think वो हमारे अंकल वाली जनरेशन जब तक हैं
वो तब तक boomer.
हाँ, Maruti will be undefeated. I don't understand why people even buy Maruti.
I think India में on that note I'll talk something about Uber, but India में पैसा is such a big वो ना, every decision that people make is derived by money कि वो कितना पैसा spend कर रहे हैं.
It's a money first economy.
Yes, exactly, here in India. तो Maruti has known that game कि हाँ बस अभी क्योंकि अपने को सस्ती चीज बनानी है, एक ढांचा बना देना है, उसके अंदर बस सस्ता इंजन डाल दो, that's it.
But you see, like if you talk to your dad or your uncles, you ask them which car do you want to buy. So like Maruti ले लो बेटा, सही है. They don't say कि ये ले लो because ये सबसे सस्ती है.
Yes.
You understand? वो उनको नहीं, उनके दिमाग में जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है they think Maruti is more reliable than other brands.
I think that's why, because उनका पूरा ये जो mentality ना, it has been derived from the fact that they own Maruti. When you own something, अभी मैं MacBook own कर रही हूँ, तो I know that MacBook is fucking amazing. जब मेरे पास MacBook नहीं था, मेरे पास Acer वेसर था, तो I was like कि हाँ, Apple के products क्या ही हैं.
But did you have the same mentality for Acer when you had Acer? Like अभी you have like a good Apple laptop, you're like कि इससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं है.
Exactly.
But when you had the Acer, did you have like the same level of conviction कि इससे अच्छा कुछ नहीं है?
I would say कि it was not there.
So it's just not that.
Yeah, it's just not that. But I was pretty happy with the performance of that. I had a fucking gaming laptop जिसके लिए जो मैं sheets वगैरह use करने के लिए use करती थी. But yeah, it was pretty powerful.
But then coming back to your point,
yeah,
would you have recommended if कोई आता कि यार मेरे को 2 लाख का बजट है, लैपटॉप लेना है, would you say कि यार Acer लो? At that time also.
Honestly, I would. मेरे को लगता है हम बहुत practical लोग हैं. We would have asked them what's your तुमको क्या करना है? Do you want, अगर see, MacBook is just for
you are getting away from the point.
No, but
हम बात कर रहे हैं Maruti. Why people buy Maruti?
Right.
हाँ, लैपटॉप्स की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Maruti.
We had some recording issues. Okay, we are live again. हाँ, तो I was asking you कि maybe it's not about the product. If you own the product, if you know it is flawed, you would not recommend. Like I can pick out maybe if I had a very shitty watch, just because I own it, someone is looking कि यार I need a watch, I would not recommend it blind. I think it's something else.
Maybe it has something to do with the mileage. because
हाँ
Maruti.
मतलब मल्टीपल थिंग्स, वही मैं कह रहा हूँ, मारुति वही लाइक कमिंग बैक टू यू, इंडियन इकोनॉमी दे वांट टू सेव मनी,
Exactly.
ठीक है, मारुति इज एबल टू गिव देम गुड माइलेज बट एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ बिल्ड क्वालिटी,
Exactly.
हल्की गाड़ियां बना रहे हैं।
I mean, मैंने कल ही एक वीडियो देखी कि एक बलिनो खुद ही के मिस्टेक की वजह से, टाटा नेक्सन थी शायद, वो नेक्सन पे टकरा गई। नेक्सन को लेजिट सिर्फ थोड़े से खरोच आए और बलिनो टोटल हो गई है वो पूरी। इट हैड टू बी टोड, इट वाज इन सच अ बैड कंडीशन।
बात तो वही तो है, ठीक है, वी ऑल नो दिस, सबको पता है, बट you like I know my dad would not recommend Maruti, he's still a little bit younger, but you go to your dad, you guys own a Maruti, right?
Yes,
As
we
far
have a WagonR 18-year-old.
हाँ, तो if your dad had to buy a new car now,
I seriously think he's going to go for a Maruti, even though I have clearly told him that no, we are not buying a Maruti because it's extremely unreliable.
so I think there is some brand reliability with, you know, brand loyalty what they have built with making you happy with what you want.
Yes.
Here Indians want to save money, है ना, because एक कार के साथ it's not just कि आपने एक बारी खरीद ली, you don't just want just सस्ती कार, ऐसा नहीं कि मारुति की महंगी गाड़ियाँ हैं, if you want a decent model you have to spend from like, you know, 7 to 10 lakhs,
right,
at bare minimum, है ना, unless you are going for a very small WagonR or something like that. But I think it's like your, you know, post purchase expenses also.
But then दूसरे किसी ब्रांड का तो कोई डिसेंट कार खरीद सकता है for that budget. You can't.
But we know that it is still going to be expensive post purchase.
But it is comparatively still going to be much cheaper compared to other.
ठीक है, I'll say मारुति चला रखी ओला उबर ने सिर्फ,
yes, exactly.
But अभी actually I heard somewhere कि जो नया Desire का facelift आया, they might not allow it to be used in Ola Uber. Then who will buy it?
Yeah. नहीं. What are you saying?
I might be wrong. I might be wrong.
People are obsessed with Maruti here.
I just saw it on Reddit, so I just thought.
Speaking of expensive things, what do you think is happening in real estate now, यार? I mean, हमारे पापा की जनरेशन्स ने 10-10 हज़ार में लैंड खरीदा और हम देखते आ रहे हैं कि हर जगह एकदम आउटस्कर्ट्स ऑफ बैंगलोर में 2 करोड़ 3 करोड़ में यू कैन गेट 3 BHK, उसमें भी एक बड़ा सा एस्ट्रिस्क लगा के ये लोग बड़े बड़े बैनर्स बना रहे हैं दैट देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ ओवरहेड कॉस्ट ऑन दैट आल्सो. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दैट?
यार it's a, you know, demand driven market, I'll say. सप्लाई तो रियल एस्टेट की जो है ही है. एवरीवन वांट्स टू, एक तो कहीं ना people like owning homes.
Yeah.
But कहीं ना कहीं मेरे दिमाग में ना owning a flat is not equal to a home for
Yes,
some reason, because
of
like you
course.
don't own the land. 50 rules, आपको ये एंट्री है, आपको ये नॉइज का रिस्ट्रिक्शन है ना. I know there are a lot of amenities also, but it still feels like hostel वाली vibe आती है. Like I live in a society,
Yeah.
है ना, the way where we are shooting, if you know, if you walk down my hostel, just जहाँ से मैं पढ़ा हूँ, लेन, दरवाजे रूम में लोग रह रहे हैं,
And then there's an exit and entry,
है
that's
ना,
it.
हाँ, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड बैठा है,
Yeah.
सेम प्लेस. ये तो लाइक वी कैन गो इनटू एन आवर्स की, यू नो, आई हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट कि कैसे आई फील कि स्कूल कॉलेजेस में हम लोग सबको ब्रेन वॉश किया जाता है टू बी अ गुड एम्प्लॉय, बट आई थिंक दैट्स अ टॉपिक फॉर सम अदर डे. रियल एस्टेट में मतलब आई हैव नॉट बीन वेरी एक्टिव, बट आई हैव सीन लाइक हाउ द मार्केट, बैंगलोर यू कैन स्टिल से चलो 2-3 करोड़, ठीक है, पीपल हैव परचेजिंग पावर, व्हाटएवर पीपल वांट टू बाय, वी कांट से एनीथिंग. पोस्ट कोविड थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही लोगों को फोमो हो गया, लोग खरीदने लग पड़े. आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं प्राइसेस विल सेटल डाउन. अभी कुछ ज़्यादा ही क्रेजी ग्रोथ हुई है, बट हैव यू हर्ड कि गुड़गांव में क्या चल रहा है?
Oh my god.
गुड़गांव में
Yeah,
फ्लैट लाइक आई एम नॉट श्योर कि वो 100 करोड़ का बिका था नहीं बिका था. लाइक आई हैव बीन इन दैट सोसाइटी, आई हैव सीन दैट अरेलियास, कमेलियास,
Oh my god.
मतलब आई हैव बीन टू दोस फ्लैट्स,
Yeah.
ठीक है. आई नो समवन हु लिव्स देयर, आई नो उन्होंने कितने का लिया था, ठीक है.
कितने का?
आई डोंट नो इफ दे वांट टू
Expose
हाँ
that,
हाँ,
yeah.
आई डोंट नो इफ दे वांट टू एक्सपोज इट, बिकॉज वहाँ पे लोग अगर 80 करोड़ के 100 करोड़ के ले रहे हैं तो उसका तो उन्होंने बहुत रीजनेबल रेट पे लिया था.
But I'm pretty sure it would be still a very huge amount, like
Oh, yeah,
for a
it-
normal
for-
person.
But if you compare what people are paying for a 2
Yeah.
BHK, 3 BHK,
हाँ.
compared to the property it is, the location it is, the price they paid, मतलब even they didn't tell me, मैंने भी कहीं से सुना था, ठीक है. तो it is like a higher single digit crore.
Right. Oh, but like wow.
But it's a duplex.
Oh, and it's a fucking penthouse.
हाँ, it's a penthouse, 2 story का, दोनों मतलब private lift है. No, sorry, it's not a private lift. They have a lift, but it just opens to their floor. It's on 17th floor. Huge balconies, घर huge है ना? तो for like half the price, बैंगलोर में आपको 2 to 3 BHK मिल रहे हैं.
हाँ,
तब
in a fucking
it's still a
society.
better deal.
हाँ.
It's a premium society. There are celebrities who are living there.
Hmm.
पार्किंग में गाड़ियां भरी हैं, मेरे जैसे के लिए तो कुछ नहीं. पार्किंग में जाके घूमते रहो, गाड़ियां देखो, नीचे निकलो, जी वैगन, पोर्शे, whatever it is.
Right. Wow.
But
I mean, but अगर उन्होंने सिंगल डिजिट में पे किया है, आई एम गेसिंग इट मस्ट बी लाइक at least 4-5 years back, at least.
that I don't know.
हाँ.
But it was.
But
Yeah, if you say compare that. Yeah.
हाँ. I mean, now if this is true कि 100 करोड़ की बिकी है वो बिल्डिंग, तो उनका तो प्रॉपर्टी वैल्यू यूं ऊपर गया होगा, राइट? आई मीन शिट, क्रेजी.
Yeah, but you know, it's one of those things कि it's for hype also. ठीक है, suppose you have this laptop. ठीक है, you are like कि normal shops पे 1 लाख रुपए का लैपटॉप बिक रहा है. ठीक है, just because I am some crazy rich guy, मैं तो बोलता हूँ चल तू मेरे को 50 लाख में चाहिए.
राइट.
आई डोंट नो कि मैंने वो मार्केट में उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ाई है नहीं बढ़ाई है, बट एक स्टोरी मिल गई मीडिया को कि वहां पे एक फ्लैट बिका है. तो वो बिका भी है नहीं बिका है, हाउ डू वी वेरीफाई? आई डोंट नो, राइट?
राइट.
विद ऑल द थिंग्स that is going on in internet,
We really don't know what's true anymore, right?
coming to internet, there's a like such a big scam that is going down right now. I don't know if you have heard about this. There was this online, you know about affiliate marketing.
Yes.
Who am I asking? You're a marketer, right?
I think I know where you're going.
You heard about Honey.
Yes. Oh my God.
So for people who don't know, let me just quickly explain what Honey is and I'll tell you the parent company name and you'll be like कि यार कोई भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, रगपुल हो सकता है. Like Honey is a normal extension. This is not a promotion. I will never promote them. All the influencers who promoted them are regretting. So I still tell you that tool you install. It's a Chrome extension. You go to Amazon, anywhere else you're buying where you can apply coupon code. Honey will pop up at the last moment. It will tell you this is the coupon code you can apply. It will try all the coupon codes for you, give you the best deal. That's what they claim. And then you can check out. Okay, everyone was like, and this has been going since a few years. And everyone was like, such a great deal. They had big influencers backing them up, like Linus, MKBHD, Mr. Beast. ठीक है?
Yes.
Like the biggest influencer आप tech में किसी में निकाल लो, they had some affiliation with them.
Right.
Now, I forgot who's the guy who explained Maglag or someone like that. Is a journalist. Great video उसने बनाया and he explains see how when you're applying that coupon code, what it does is कि suppose I tell you कि go buy this laptop. I'm an influencer. आपने मेरी वीडियो देखी. You click on the link in my bio. You go buy. What would happen? I would get a commission because I sold you in a way. I referred you.
Yeah.
It's a fair practice. Market में हर जगह चलती है.
Yes.
Right? What Honey would do when it's applying a coupon code, it would, it would very subtly open like a small tab in your window, and it will change the affiliate link from your link or my link to its affiliate link. So it was stealing affiliate commission for all the influencers.
Right. So in a nutshell, it was giving the discount that as a customer.
So I'll get to that. It's multi-story scam. You would think it would do that, but let me. I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay,
Right.
It was stealing out of creators' pocket.
Influencers, right.
And for a lot of influencers, affiliate is their biggest income. Right? If I'm a tech
course,
influencer, I don't get a lot of views if I'm in a niche product.
Yes.
But if I'm say selling drones,
Right.
like not a lot of people watch drone videos, but my main income would come from affiliates.
Right.
But if you're stealing out of that, ठीक है, you paid me $1,000 for a video, but you take out $5,000 from my sales. And you nowhere tell me that. So this guy actually went out to Honey team, confirmed, and they said, yes, we do that. And they are not even denying that. Linus ended their
Contract with them.
हाँ, because he asked कि we are not okay with you doing that. They said कि नहीं, we are gonna keep doing that because else how will they make money, right?
And Linus was their third biggest promoter, right?
Yes, yes.
At least in this industry.
Now I don't know.
Shit.
I think when it went down, Honey in total had some 20 million users on just Chrome. You know, when you go Chrome store,
Chrome
you see that.
extensions.
Okay, so this is the first part of the scam. Honey ka USP was we will give you the best coupon code available on planet so that you don't have to look for it, right? But suppose if you're a business owner, you run like a store for say laptops only, okay?
Right.
As a Honey, I come here, give me, let me run these coupon codes for you, and you're like, why will I do that? Because you're losing revenue.
Right.
If every time every user can find the best coupon code,
Right.
you are losing value. So it's not a very, what do you say, very profitable deal for you.
Right.
So what Honey would do, that was not their proposition. They were lying to consumers. What they would do is they would go to a business, they would say, let us control the coupon code. So instead people randomly finding a good coupon code, you select how much coupon code we can give them.
Right.
So even if there was a 30% of coupon code available, Honey would, when you apply through Honey, they would only show you maybe 5% coupon.
5%, 10%.
So their whole USP was कि we would find you a good coupon code, like the best coupon code.
Yes.
And they would deliberately hold it back. So
God.
that is a blatant lie to consumer. That was their only USP. That was not like कि उनके 3 USP में से एक USP. That was their only USP. Now the biggest shocker. You know who is the parent company of Honey?
I do, but go on.
PayPal.
Oh my God.
Internationally सबसे ज़्यादा payments जिस पे use होती हैं.
Oh God.
So I guess there is some lawsuit.
And I think they bought Honey for a huge amount back then.
I think it was
some $1 billion. Let me just quickly.
Can you pull that up? But it was like a $4 billion deal or 40 million or 4 million. It was something 4. It was something like that.
Yeah, it was $4 billion.
$4 billion deal.
$4 billion. And there's no way PayPal didn't know how Honey was making this. There was a whole reason why PayPal must have bought it. Oh my God. I mean, forget about the scam. The idea itself is like, it's bad, but it's genius. It's brilliant. Like nobody noticed this,
and this went
for such a long time.
I guess this went on from 2016 or 2017. That is close to what, like 5-6 years?
No, it's more, almost 8 years now. It's 2025.
Oh yeah, it's 2025. Happy New Year, by the way.
God, क्या चल रहा है?
On this New Year, I think a lot of people are disappointed by Goa also.
Oh yeah. God, मेरे को बताना पड़ेगा. मैंने 3 दिन पहले I was just searching about Goa and I got to find कि ये एक वीडियो के कमेंट सेक्शन में एक बंदे ने अपनी स्टोरी शेयर की कि वो एक I think he was in an auto there, रिक्शा, and वो थोड़ी देर के लिए एक लिकर स्टोर में रुका. And because it was a liquor store, बंदे को पता था कि I can make some money off of it, the rickshaw driver or cab driver. And उसने बोला कि for every minute that I'm going to like stop by here, you need to pay me 50 rupees or 100 rupees for every minute. And जब उस बंदे ने उसको deny कर दिया, guess what he did? He slapped him. How can someone do that?
Yeah, I think slapping, it's I'm not saying it's good, but I heard some techie was beaten to death by some shack owner also on New Year's Eve.
2024?
Yeah, very recently.
Oh my God.
So I think Goa is losing its charm. I don't think it's Goa issue. It's a people issue.
Yeah.
I'll say even that some tourists are to blame and some locals are to blame. It's a clap that has been, जो दोनों हाथ से ताली बजी है.
यार वो कहते हैं ना कि everything has a trajectory, कि तुम किसी चीज को इतना hype करो. There's always a pattern कि गोवा इतना hype up हो गया कि maybe I'm just making an assumption कि the localites, the owners of certain businesses got cocky. I mean, Ola, Uber आज तक नहीं आ पाया है in a place like Goa. Why? Because cab
Yeah,
drivers,
mafia.
taxi drivers have a whole as मतलब बहुत बड़ा कंट्रोल है उनका इन सब चीज़ों में.
Hmm.
फिर I mean उसके अलावा ये शैक ओनर्स वगैरह है ना.
Hmm.
God, it's crazy. So I think yeah, I mean everything has a trajectory. लोगों ने बहुत हाइप अप कर दिया गोवा को, उसके वजह से फिर बस हो गए लोग, उन्होंने दे स्टार्टेड एक्टिंग arrogantly, violently, and now Goa is seeing its days.
I think ठीक है. Let's see. A lot of Delhi real estate has invested, bought land. We'll see.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens with them.
There are private beach owners. Forget about land या villa वगैरह. लोगों
नहीं
के
नहीं
private
होला
beaches हैं
societies.
वहाँ पे.
I'm saying
होला
होला
societies, yeah.
हाँ पूरा infrastructure उन्होंने खरीदा to build
Yeah.
societies.
There are a lot of celebrities जिनके बहुत सारे properties हैं गोवा में on rental, Airbnbs वगैरह. Let's see what happens.
On आज एक और मैंने न्यूज़ सुनी ओयो उनका जो क्लियर यूएसपी है, दे आर मेकिंग अ रूल. आई डोंट नो हाउ ट्रू इट इज. आई हैव नॉट वेटेड दिस न्यूज़. आई जस्ट सॉ इट समवेयर ऑन द इंटरनेट कि अनमैरिड कपल्स को दे विल नॉट अलाउ इन. तो पता नहीं, could be like a whole brand restructuring that might be coming in, because I don't think they are like that relevant now. Abhi like a lot of like I met a hotel owner. I like knew him for some time. He told me ki how people use Oyo, the business owners. We know what the consumers use it for. ठीक है, fine.
Right.
What they're doing is कि इस बंदे का होटल था. What he would do is कि how he proceeded, he was also advised from someone else कि Oyo पे list करो, ठीक है, people will start coming in, have like you know offers वगैरह through Oyo whatever, ठीक है, and then start building relationships with these customers.
Okay.
ठीक है, बाद में Oyo हटा दो,
अच्छा.
तो you get a customer base.
Right.
Do your own marketing, have your own WhatsApp groups.
Right. Okay.
And you get a flow. He's like कि 90% occupancy every time रहती ही है उसके. और कोई ऐसे भी उसकी क्रेजी प्रॉपर्टी नहीं. इट्स लाइक अ नॉर्मल प्रॉपर्टी. लौंडे आ रहे हैं दारू पीने, पार्टी करने, कपल जा रहे हैं, नॉर्मली लोग स्टे करने, जिनको रहने के लिए जगह चाहिए जा रहे हैं. ही टोल्ड मी कि देयर आर सम there is a large population of these people, homeless addicts.
Homeless addict.
Yeah, who try to check in.
How could they?
They couldn't, but like 10% of people who are coming to check in are like homeless addicts, कि जिनके पास अब रेंट देने के पैसे नहीं है, लैंडलॉर्ड ने निकाल दिया है. या अब वो रहने के लिए चाहिए कुछ, तो दे आर ट्राइंग टू चेक इन, है ना, चेकआउट के टाइम पे निकल जाते हैं. सो दैट्स आल्सो लाइक अ इशू दे आर फेसिंग.
But they could be just con men, right? How would this guy know कि ये homeless addicts ही हैं?
I think you could tell, like when you are in this business and like you know, I think देख के पता चल जाता है. जो
Desperation.
नहीं,
and
I think addicts you can see.
Right.
You can tell not a normal person, right?
That's the sad reality. And by addict, we are talking about substance abuse addicts and all those people.
Alcohol
I'm
addicts,
guessing.
yeah.
Yeah. Alcohol addiction is like crazy.
Alcohol addiction. और अभी just New Year हुआ है. I was wine shop के सामने से निकल रहा था. There was literally line towards like 3-4 दुकानें छोड़ के पीछे तक. Like मैंने इतनी लंबी लाइन कोविड के टाइम पे नहीं देखी थी. जब कोविड लॉकडाउन खुला था, you remember?
Oh shit.
People were rushing कि 50,000 हज़ार के बिल बना के निकल रहे थे. उस टाइम कम लाइन थी towards this New Year. And like अभी मेजर तेरी टूरिस्टी प्लेसेस खाली पड़ी थी. I think somewhere with this new Gen Z,
people are realizing कि घर पे बैठ के
पार्टी कर लो.
पार्टी करना is better.
हाउस पार्टीज वगैरह थोड़ी ज़्यादा चल रही हैं इस टाइम बैंगलोर में.
Yeah, I mean यहाँ एटलीस्ट बैंगलोर में जो हब्स है, मैंने सुना कि कोरमंगला और ये इंदिरा नगर वगैरह, यहाँ पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा एटलीस्ट जितना एक्सपेक्टेड था उतना क्राउड था नहीं इस बार. Maybe something मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना कि जेनजीज ना बहुत बदनाम हो गए हैं, बट जेनजीज आर डूइंग सम थिंग्स राइट ऑल्सो. जैसे यही है कि दे हैव रियलाइज्ड के एक बार में जाके ओवर एक्सपेंसिव दारू खरीदने से अच्छा है कि खुद ले आओ, हाउस पार्टी कर लो, है ना. देन there are a lot of I actually read a whole as मतलब I did a research for 2 days जिस पे मैंने Gen Z spending patterns के बारे में थोड़ी स्टडी की थी, and I got to know that Gen Zs have become very conscious. वो डिस्काउंट savvies है, वो लोग को डिस्काउंट से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है.
You know, on that note, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि like boomers, millennials, Gen Zs, boomers कंजूस थे थोड़े,
हाँ,
right? Millennials थोड़ा खर्चा करने के लिए आए.
हाँ.
I think it's
It's
again
going back.
कि
हाँ.
Gen Zs थोड़े वो हैं, but यार पैसा ही नहीं मिल रहा है Gen Zs को
Exactly.
खर्चा करने के लिए. I think boomers के पास पैसा था ज्यादा, वो थोड़े कंजूस हो गए.
Yes.
Millennials कहीं बीच में आ गए कि हाँ थोड़ा पैसा है,
हाँ.
कर लेते हैं पार्टी, थोड़ा खर्चा कर लेते हैं.
हाँ.
Gen Zs again, salaries are going low, rents are going high, everything is
Exactly.
expensive.
You can't blame Gen Zs ना, मतलब आज से 10 साल पहले भी ये TCS वगैरह में 3 लाख की सैलरीज थी.
Yep.
आज भी 3 लाख की सैलरीज है, बट इन्फ्लेशन इज टचिंग द रूफ.
I graduated in 2020. ठीक है, उस टाइम पे they were offering some 2.6, 3, 3.5 and एक उनका प्रोग्राम था some ninja और I don't know क्या बोलते थे for like top of the top. ठीक है, I was from a very normal college, 7 LPA. ठीक है, I think it's 2024. I might not have the figures right, but close to 3, 3.5 बेस इतना ही ऑफर कर रहे हैं. It's 4 years, right? Normal
5.
अब फिफ्थ, ठीक है, let's say
Right.
फिफ्थ अभी स्टार्ट हुआ है.
हाँ,
ठीक है, it's been 4 years. आपके नॉर्मल चीजों का प्राइस डबल से ज्यादा हो चुका है,
एग्जैक्टली.
राइट? कहते हैं कि इन्फ्लेशन इज एट 7%.
यस,
I think
दैट्स नॉट ट्रू.
that might be true if you take it in a cumulative way.
या,
कि मार्केट में 100 प्रोडक्ट हैं, you don't buy everything, right?
यस.
For your needs, जो groceries, rentals, if you see, you know, fuel, है ना, your necessities. I think that is more than 7%.
यस.
ठीक है, salaries कितना दे रही है यार? your top of the top MNCs. I don't know नाम लेना चाहिए नहीं, but I used to work in a very big MNC, right? I worked in 2 startups. मैं अभी भी एक startup में काम करता हूँ, right? मेरा पहला startup hikes मिलती थी अच्छी, 30%, 40%, ठीक है. The company went under multiple reasons. I went to a big e-commerce MNC, इंडिया का one of the biggest e-commerce players. मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा, but इसे समझ गए कौन. हाइक ही नहीं मिली मेरे को. Talk about single digit hike मिली ही नहीं.
And you were in a pretty significant role, right?
I don't know if it's a significant. इन लोगों को क्या करना था? I was pushed out of the organization. खुद ठीक है, I don't want to get into that, है ना? In whatever they wanted. Then again, I'm in a startup. अभी तक यहाँ पे हाइक वाइक मेरे को मिली नहीं है, but I've listened to people again. They're good. So talent is flowing to startups,
Right.
for a reason. But startups में survive करना भी एक अपने आप का skill है. Like a lot of people, क्या majority of the people, they don't want to work, but they want the money. Like, you know, we have run business together. We like, I'll ask you a question and I know the answer. What is the biggest challenge in running a business?
Oh God, getting the right people, getting the right team members.
No,
getting
but
the
why
talent.
the right people? I think at base it's like getting the work done.
Yes, because and especially when it's a remote setting. I think COVID के बाद ये जो इतनी सारी companies ने work from home से they were set कि नहीं हम work from home करेंगे.
I'm pro office.
हाँ,
Yeah.
and then they अचानक से they quickly switched back to नहीं, you have to come to office. And I completely get the reason behind it
उस
now.
टाइम पे याद है हम लोग बोलते थे कुछ गवर्नमेंट कॉन्स्पिरेसी है,
हाँ.
they want खर्चाओ ये हो.
And then we started our own startup. Oh God. लोग काम ही नहीं करना चाहते हैं.
Yep.
They just want to, and अगर if they're not getting per work basis में payment, then it's almost
Yeah,
impossible.
but we have tried that also.
हाँ,
We had freelancers.
that is also very challenging. But I think you can like अभी recent का ही मैं तेरे को example दे सकती हूँ. I told you about this, you know, this team member that I have. She hasn't done a single job in the past 2 months, but she's claiming कि मेरे को आपने monthly retainer में hire किया था, तो I need to be paid for the whole 60 days.
Oh yeah, you were telling me.
And I'm like, what? Show me the work at least कि तूने क्या किया है. I gave you the liberty कि तू कर.
And I think she didn't reply to that. Na, she's still.
ना, yeah. she's just मैं वो मेरे पीछे पड़ी हुई है कि you need to pay me, you need to pay me, tell me when is the payment date. And the moment I keep asking her कि at least give me what's the work that you have done, on what basis should I pay you, and she's like, you know, you need to pay me because it was a monthly retainer. How is that justified?
I think पता है, when before running my own business, people used to tell me कि वो ये startup acquire हो गया just for the staff, product उतना अच्छा नहीं था, like उसके लिए तुमने इतने पैसे दिए हैं, जाके hire कर लो. But now I get it.
Yes.
कि like good people, I won't even go as far as saying talented people. I would
Yeah.
say diligent people.
Yeah.
कि जो
Work जिनमें work ethic है.
before running my own business, I used to think कि maybe I'm a bad employee.
Yeah.
कि like 8 घंटे काम करना है, मैं सिर्फ 6 घंटे कर रहा हूँ, 2 घंटे में थोड़ा बहुत तो चिल मार ही लेता हूँ. 1 घंटा लंच है, 1 घंटा थोड़ा इधर उधर सोशल मीडिया चलाया, वॉक कर ली, ब्रेक कर ली. आई हैव हायर्ड पीपल फुल टाइम. वो अगर दिन का 2 घंटे भी काम करते तो आई वाज लाइक भाई क्या बात है कि 2 घंटे काम किया आपने. लाइक आई थिंक इट गिव्स यू a different perspective.
Yeah, but on that note, I remembered a story. So there was a freelancer who was working with me, and जब तक he was a freelancer, he was like crazy कि ओ आप लोग जैसा बॉस तो मैं कभी नहीं ढूंढ सकता. This is crazy.
Oh, I
आप
remember
लोग
this
ये
guy.
वो.
Yeah.
And the moment I offered him a full-time job because he was pretty like adamant कि हाँ हाँ I think I'm ready for a full-time job. I gave him the offer. He started working. He worked for 6 days and he ghosted me. 6 days.
Did he come back for payment?
No. Why the hell would he? उसको भी आई थिंक इतनी शर्म तो होनी चाहिए उस बंदे में कि वो आके मुझसे ये ना बोले कि मेरे 6 दिन के पेमेंट दो मुझे.
यार I'm not trying to be racist or anything.
Be careful. Tread carefully.
I'll just say.
I know where you're going.
Where was this guy from?
West Bengal. And this was not the first case where
Where was this girl from?
West Bengal. And इससे ही पहले ये जो I'm talking about this guy, उससे भी पहले there was another guy who did almost similar situation with me. And he was from West Bengal. And the thing is that there might be people who would say that it's maybe your fault कि तुम लोगों को manage करना नहीं आता. We गave them proper flexibility कि तुम बस काम करो. तुम आधे घंटे में काम कर रहे हो या तुम 6 घंटे में काम कर रहे हो.
I think this is what people mean कि तुम्हें काम करवाना नहीं आता.
Yeah, maybe.
You don't give them flexibility. Maybe that's the skill.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe that's a skill.
Yeah.
I think लोगों से काम करवाना भी एक skill है.
Yes.
है ना?
At least lesson learned कि next कुछ भी big करना है where you require a huge team, you need to have an office. You cannot work remotely.
I have seen startups remote थे पूरे, very proud in the starting कि हम लोग fully remote हैं.
Yeah.
And now they are remote.
Remotely existing?
No, they are remote. भाग रहे हैं भाई.
Oh God.
But पता नहीं, starting से I've always like going to office. I think it's you need something to do, right? You need a purpose. घर पे बैठे बैठे I don't think that's healthy also. कि for a year you're just at home, you're not going out, you're not socializing, and most of the people they don't exercise also. They don't eat good, right? So कहीं ना कहीं your this COVID depression, COVID से नहीं आया था. It is from people staying inside. They're not getting sunlight. They're not exercising, right? They are not eating good. So I think people can bitch about office ये वो traffic, but believe me, in the long run, it is better for you. But who knows आजकल क्या टेक्नोलॉजी आ रही है. एलन मस्क क्या हमारे जिम में इम्प्लांट लगा देगा.
See, I have my own business. I am a self-employed person. I work remotely. I have a
उसको अनएम्प्लॉयड नहीं बोलते.
Shut up. मैं घर से काम करती हूँ and I completely agree. It's very difficult to work from home. Actually, सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयज़ या कंपनीज के लिए नहीं, सॉरी एम्प्लॉयर्स या कंपनीज के लिए नहीं, एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए भी to step out of the house and go to office, it brings a lot of discipline in their life. A routine, एक routine लाता है. And I can tell all the people who say कि अरे बहुत monotonous हो जाता है, it's very boring. Trust me, this is far better than putting yourself in so much discipline. It's so difficult to work from home and stay disciplined and work on something, especially when there is nobody to monitor, or अब आप ऑफिस जाते हो, आप टीम मेंबर्स के साथ बैठते हो, एक सेंस ऑफ कंपटीशन आ जाता है, एक सेंस ऑफ मोटिवेशन आ जाता है. You are eliminating that also when you're working from home. Most of the days I work from a cafe. थर्ड वेव जैसी जगह पे जाती हूँ मैं. आई वर्क फ्रॉम देयर बिकॉज आई गेट टू सी अदर पीपल ऑल्सो वर्किंग, एंड दैट हेल्प्स मी विद द motivation on those slow
Kind
days.
of, I think there's a feel of community.
Yes,
I don't think you even
exactly.
talk to anyone.
Yes, you're just working. You see people around you, you feel better already.
See,
And then
humans
you're-
are social animals.
Yeah.
You know, you communities are very important.
Yeah.
Community के ऊपर पूरी industries हैं.
Yes.
Right? Your Facebook, Instagram, everything is community based.
I mean, Discord is such a huge. I mean, Discord का USP ही community based हुआ है.
Discord, Reddit, and
Yes.
anything, any hobby, anything you pick up, in 2025 you will find community for everything.
Yes. And I think ये बढ़ता भी इसलिए जा रहा है because हमारी generation is becoming lonelier. Like I have a friend who's a psychiatrist, and I spoke to her for good 1 hour few weeks back, and she told me that while everyone has their own problems, but one common trait that she could identify was how people are becoming more lonely. क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ना, on that note, let's discuss that how internet has been brainwashing people. In terms
पहले
of
complete your thought about
validation के लोग इतना ज़्यादा boundaries करने लग गए हैं ना, that I am me. I need to have people around me who supports me and all of that. Because of that, लोग इतने ज़्यादा isolated हो चुके हैं, इतने lonely हो चुके हैं, that they don't have anything else, any other choice. They have to, look for some sort of communities. And you will see these are the kind of people who are generally more addicted to social media platforms, or, abuse of some sort of, addiction, alcohol वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा intake होता है.
yeah,
all
I
those
think
things.
what you're talking about now is like your base level need for socializing. But communities, I think, have a different use altogether also. Like pick up very niche thing. Like recently I got into FPV drones. Okay, and I'm looking for people in Bangalore to share our knowledge, because FPV
Right.
is a very technical thing. Fly together, discover new spots, hang out, but
Basically have a community.
have a community. But it's not my need for depression cure, ये वो ऐसे है ना. I think it's not about we have a lot of communities in our life. You're not just part of one community, but any hobby, anything is more enjoyable, I feel, when you do it with a bunch of people.
Yes.
I couldn't find locally people. What I do is I go to internet. So kahin na kahin internet has its utility also. But yes, a lot of people, like if you see, like if you have to balance it, I don't know how you can. But internet has given you a lot of problems also.
Yes.
But it has given you a lot of solutions also.
Yes.
वो कहते हैं, it's
true.
like a necessary evil.
हाँ.
कि there's no fighting it.
Yeah.
It has its goods, it has its bad.
I mean, some of the like very rich people in India today and globally also
Crypto bros.
exist because of internet.
Crypto bros.
Yes, crypto. And Mr. Beast कोई ले लो. He
By
is-
the way, till today, I have never seen his any of the video. And I don't know. I कभी देखा नहीं है, and I want to keep it that way. But yeah, go on.
Me neither. But yeah, I mean, Mr. Beast is such a huge deal, and he is there because of internet, because of
Of
social
course,
media.
I think अगर आप, if you see it on a ground level, your base income per person, like an average person makes more money in 2024 2025 than they used to maybe in 1960 1970. Internet technology has created a lot of jobs. So that's why I feel people say कि AI will make a lot of people unemployed. I strongly disagree.
Yeah.
ये ठीक है, सामने दिखता है कि हाँ, प्रोग्रामर्स की जॉब खाने. GPT का आई थिंक अभी ही कोई नया वर्जन आया which is like 71% almost there. Might be wrong on the stats. ठीक है. But I was listening to this guy explain how everything will turn into a gig economy, and I agree. Anytime there has been some anytime there has been some advancement in technology, people are always afraid of it.
Yeah.
It will take away from them. But at a longer time frame, it was always given back. Like industrial revolution जब आपका आया था, right? People were afraid कि अगर factory में सामान बन रहा है, all of these hand labor will go out of work,
Yes.
right? But see, that is your backbone of capitalism,
Yes.
industrialization today.
Exactly.
ठीक है, एंड इट्स नॉट अबाउट पीपल एक दूसरे को ना इंटरनेट पे डरा भी रहे हैं कि कैचअप विद एआई, कैचअप विद एआई, ये सीखो, ये मत करो, है ना, यू विल गो आउट ऑफ जॉब. दैट इज आल्सो अ रॉन्ग अप्रोच.
That's true. I think I watched a podcast of Joe Rogan and Naval Ravikant. It was ये recent वाला नहीं, जो 2017 या 2018 में आया था वो वाला, and I recommend everyone watch that. It was so good, and they talk about this very heavily. And person like Naval Ravikant, who's a very pro AI, who's saying that कि ये कहीं नहीं जा रहा, कुछ नहीं हो रहा. I mean, people should have faith in these kind of people. Plus, he pointed out a very interesting thing, and I completely agree with him. Humans are meant to work on creative things.
Yep. Yeah.
Creative creation is what they are supposed to do. Baki sab kuch can be taken care by these
Automation.
machines and tools, which is essentially what AI is going to do.
That's what I was telling you about. कि in the longer frame, everything will come down to creative work.
Right.
I highly doubt कि creative work AI कितना ले पाएगी. People saying कि ये image generation कर रहे हैं. If you, I won't go into the deep tech how it works, but it's not doing a creative job. It's a large language model. It
Yes.
has a set of a huge amount of data.
Yes, because it can't think now.
Yeah.
Unless an entity can think, it cannot do a creative
Yeah,
work.
I feel even if you can think, thinking is not creative. Creative is, in a nutshell, imagining something
Yes.
which doesn't exist,
Yes.
or an alternate way of doing something.
Yes.
ठीक है? You can think, you can make decisions, but humans, everyone is not equally creative.
Yes.
You know,
That's true.
You can look at a rectangle, है ना, and say it's filled. Sorry, that's
It's
a very
just a box.
हाँ.
You can look at
But a
it.
creative person can look at it, fill it up with things,
Yeah.
think in a different way. I think and creativity is a skill.
Yes.
A lot of people think you are born creative, creativity आनी चाहिए. I feel creativity is a skill. If a person like me can be creative, what we are doing right now is a creative job. We are talking, right?
Yeah.
If I'm a designer, मेरे को तो ड्रॉ करना भी नहीं आता, मेरी हैंडराइटिंग कोई पढ़ नहीं पाता है. If I can be a creative, I used to make videos. Anyone can be a creative. It's just how much dedication you have towards something. You have to love what you are doing to be creative at it. You can be creative at anything. You can be creative at cooking. You can be creative at designing. तो चलो है ही है, photography, everything.
Yes.
And I think यही जो careers हैं where you have to be creative are people the most happy at.
Yes. And you can also notice this kind of, कि लोग ना frustrate हो रहे हैं. I mean, आज के टाइम पे 2025 में almost everyone is on internet making something. They are creating some sort of content. But the people who are teaching others कि तुम ऐसा करो, तुम वैसा करो, तुम ऐसा करो, तुम वैसा करो, लोग ना अब थोड़े से frustrate हो रहे हैं उनसे.
Yeah.
उनको अब इंटरनेट में back to basics वाली चीज़ चाहिए कि unless you're doing something creative or you're teaching me, like cooking videos could be really valuable क्योंकि it has a process. Plus अगर कोई नया
यार ये तो
रेसिपी है,
saturation भी आ गया ना.
हाँ.
I think एक चीज को करने के 10 वे होते हैं और वो लोग 50 वे में बता चुके हैं सबको.
True, exactly.
It's very hard to find something new उसी में
Yes.
कि ट्यूटोरियल बना दूंगा मैं इस टूल का.
Yes.
Doesn't work that way.
Yeah. So unless it's very creative or unique or very, uniquely teachable, या फिर कोई बकचोदी वाला content, entertainment.
That's creative.
Yes,
that is
entertainment is very creative. Unless it's that, people are getting really frustrated कि कोई आके उनको बस ज्ञान देके चला जा रहा है.
That's why we're doing the podcast. Like the whole point of doing this, like we are not even scripting what we are
Yeah.
talking about. We are just talking about what is going on.
Yes.
No hooks. Oh, 10 ways to do this. You didn't do this, you will die. Like, nahi yaar. We'll see how that turns out. ठीक है. It's more about uncut.
Yes.
No editing, nothing, है ना. We have something to say about. Interesting लग रहा है तो you can tune in. नहीं लग रहा है तो maybe this is not for you.
Yeah.
we'll see.
Or I mean, yeah, I mean, अगर कुछ interesting लग रहा है तो maybe these are some things that you also want to know about, or you would like to be a part of this community. So बस that's it.
Being creative is gonna be the only thing I think humans will have control over in the coming years. It's good everything is getting automated. I don't think anyone gets, वो internet पे बोलते हैं I get peace and calm doing the dishes, है ना, driving ये वो ठीक है, anything else. Like I love driving, but I'm all pro for autonomous cars.
Yes.
ठीक है, less human input means less traffic, means less fatalities, less accidents, right? ठीक है, I love driving. I like to drive on open roads, countryside, mountains, beaches, है ना? When I'm in the mood to drive, ये जो रोज का grocery runs, office, traffic में, गंदी roads पे, I don't think people are enjoying that.
Yeah.
So people who get offended, oh, autonomous cars, ये वैसे, like, wait, chill out. You're going to like it.
Yeah. And it's not like automatic cars don't have manual mode. You can always switch to it, right?
It's not the same thing. We're not talking about automatic cars, automatic gearbox or manual gearbox. I'm talking about autonomous cars that don't need to be driven.
Oh, okay.
हाँ.
I got confused.
हाँ हाँ
अच्छा.
हाँ, दंगे करवाएगी बहन.
Like, if we're talking about that, then I think it has, like, of course, बहुत advancement आ गया, but it's very difficult to, trust something like that अभी तक.
Of course.
Yeah.
Like, you can't trust your phones right now, right?
Yeah.
अभी पता चला है कि like Apple has been listening to your devices through Siri.
Siri, yeah. Oh
ठीक.
God, yeah.
So of course I think वही है कि it's still gonna take some time. It's gonna be about the player who can come and do things, because the thing is कि for companies like this, like Meta, if you take it, if they're not collecting data, it can't be Meta. It can't survive. So I'm not saying कि Meta should collect data,
Yeah.
but their biggest revenue, might be wrong, comes from advertisement.
Right.
Meta क्यों चलता है? So people can, Facebook, Instagram, because people can advertise and sell their products.
Yes.
How can they do it in a
Unless
good
they
way?
have the data. Yeah.
If they don't have the data, general advertisement, it died 20 years ago, right? So I'm not saying कि what they're doing is right. I think someone has to come up with a better way. It's not me, and I think it's not going to be the next 10 years, 20 years. It's going to take some time. Big tech can't be big tech. Couldn't be. They wouldn't have been big tech if they did not collect data. Collecting data without asking people is wrong, but I don't see how we could have these wonderful devices also. Like, can you live without your phone and laptop now?
Not at all.
Right.
That's my bread and butter. I
Right.
especially cannot.
Right. So it has made people a lot of money also, but वो ये कि it has a good, it has it bad. ठीक है. एक तो people need to understand कि people are so paranoid कि they are always listening कि मेरे phone पे कि like I have this phone, someone वहाँ पे Facebook के headquarter में बैठ के कोई तो headphone लगा के मेरी ही बातें सुन रहा है. Chill. It's not like that. Yes, they might be. I'm saying they might be.
Ironically, Siri का भी वही case चल रहा है,
Yeah.
but still,
they might be recording, but no one is putting their
like going to put you in danger specifically.
They are just trying to find keywords what you're talking about
Yes.
ताकि उस चीज की ad दिखाए. हाँ, मेरी चप्पल टूट गई, चलो चप्पल की ad दिखा दो.
Paragon दिखाओ इसको.
हाँ, Paragon, इसको चप्पल फेंक के मारो. So even I'm not very pro for. I think there's this guy who's doing a lot of research. I forgot. I think we'll come back to that. So he's trying to build a surveillance on all this big tech. So what do you do? I forgot its name.
An individual?
Yeah. So what his foundation does is they go talk to people and install their softwares on their computer, and they tell them we are gonna collect all the data. What they're trying to do is they're trying to collect what you search for Google, your other social media websites. They're trying to see how it works differently for different individuals with what the data collect. ठीक है. They collect your data, उस पे तुम्हें कुछ advertisement दिखाना, ठीक है, fine, चल रहा है. But a lot of these people are meddling with your elections also.
Oh.
So
yeah, I mean, I don't know about India, but at least I've heard a lot about US elections. How
Yes. So
at least the traditional medias have been tampering with.
Yeah, traditional media is not media, traditional propaganda.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Like this guy was telling about कि how Google was censoring Proton Mail. So Proton Mail, for people who don't know, is an email service which gives you full anonymity. It's end-to-end encrypt. I don't know if they are end-to-end encryption, but they are better than Gmail because big tech or government can't read your emails. So, but if you go to Google, you search Proton Mail, they were hiding it from the search results. Right now, if I search it, I will see it. So that's the thing they're trying to see. If people who are listening to the podcast, or people in our circle, or people who generally know about this stuff, they will see it on the search results. But normal people, your day to day Joe, है ना, वो लोग सर्च करेंगे, उनको नहीं दिखेगा. So they were trying to see कि how shady things are.
Yeah.
So they're trying to collect that data, and maybe in another episode I'll talk more about it. It has a website that updates real time. They have built systems. So big tech is running surveillance on you. These guys are running surveillance on big tech. But I don't know. It's individual. I think they are running out of money also, and it's big tech have billions of dollars.
Yeah, I mean, see, it's a very noble thing to do. And maybe I think if you know about this, it means they're trying to, get as much public attention they can.
They are,
Taki,
yeah.
they still, be able to support this ideology, this goal. But come on, we all know there are certain, there are some people, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि there are some people on top who's controlling everything around the world, around a country. So an individual cannot make this huge of a difference.
I think he has a team also. He was saying in all of the system he has invested some $6 to $7 million till date.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he lost his wife to all of this.
Oh
It's
my
not,
god.
It's not proven, but she was in an accident that didn't look like accident. I don't want to get into that, but he's an old guy. Let's see.
Oh my god. Are you talking about that guy whose wife there
Let me
was
just.
some injection that
He was
he
also.
was all like there was an attempt to inject him उसके bag में या कहीं पे injection डाल दिया गया था.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
forgetting his name.
Let me quickly see.
Oh my god.
He's not a very famous person,
Now,
but
yeah, but no.
Dr. Robert Epstein.
Dr. Robert Epstein, yeah.
Yeah, Epstein. The name this
Yes.
bad name, but yeah.
Oh my god, that's crazy. Yeah, his wife got. I mean, apparently his wife was harmed because of this. Because of the research he has been doing on big
We
tech
don't
and
know.
government also,
See,
right?
That's the whole point. We do everything factually. If it's not proven, we can't blame anyone. We can just
Yeah.
present the information.
Hmm.
ठीक है. The goal is to make people aware.
Yeah.
We can't play the blame game. जिस चीज़ के facts हैं वो तो we'll tell straight away कि this has been proven.
Yeah.
हाँ. But ठीक है, I think we are nearing 1 hour. It's good enough for our first episode.
Yeah.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
Pretty fun.
चलो. Bye everyone.
Bye.
कट रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है नहीं, वो देख लूँगा पहले.
हाँ.
कट करने से पहले ये तो हो रहा है.